welcome. So today I'm doing a transmission fluid change for this car. This is a Honda HRV 2018. So let's begin. So to have access to the transmission plug, drain plug area, I have to take out this cover. This whole engine cover under the car. Realize the position of where I put the car. I have to turn this the other way. I didn't think it through, so that I will have more space to lay the drain pan. So let me do that. To drain this. So the plug socket for this is half inch. I already attached it to my extension. So I'm going to turn anti-clockwise now. Set this. Yeah, I can feel it. So while I wait for this to finish draining, let me go and take out the battery. For this type of transmission, I was supposed to do this at 30,000, but this is 30,000 683. The reason was because I got delayed in the kind of oil I wanted to use before. There's this HCF-2 oil which is not available here in the UK. It's a US type. I wanted it, but it got delayed, and that's the type I wanted. It got delayed and it got cancelled on Amazon, so I had to order the type that is available to the US market, which is also HCF-2, which I want to use for this servicing. This is it. Let me go ahead and open it. I got this off on eBay and I got delivered in 2 days. This delivered in 2 days. So this is the one I want to use, and it's 4 liters. HCF-2. Let me go ahead and take out the battery. So for me, I have an extendable funnel. I'm going to try and push this down inside the fill area, which is so I have the funnel now attached to the extendable hose, which leads down to the pipe, down to the fill area. So let me go and tighten. So I've gone ahead to use some brake cleaner to clean this, because I had some particles on it which was magneted to this area. So let's go ahead to tighten it. That should be fine. I'll go ahead to clean the rest of the area using brake cleaner. I'll go ahead to pour this. So I want to pour the entire thing, because normally it's supposed to take 4.2 liters and this is 4 liters. So I'm not going to leave anything out. So that's everything. this cover and insert it properly, that is tight this time around, because I didn't meet it tight, so I want to make it tight. So this time around I'm sure it's locked in and tight. So finally, so I've secured the battery. Now it's to cover the under of the engine. We have this covered already. Then gently move the gear selector. Take this out of the way. Reverse, neutral, drive. Then drive around for some minutes. That's all. Thanks for watching.